Hi guys, today I'm going to be making Jarvis a hammock. I watched a couple different videos on how to do this, but I'll be mixing like 2 or 3. So the first thing I did was I went to Walmart and I picked up some black fleece and I measured out 15 by 15 inches. Now that I'm done marking my fabric, I'm going to take my ruler again and just double check the measurements, and then I'm going to cut it out. Once you're done cutting it out, I'm going to lay it on the table and match up the 2 corners to form a triangle. Making sure your fabric is right sides together, I'm going to pin it. Once you get done pinning your fabric, you can take it over to the sewing machine and start sewing. Now this is very important. Don't sew all the way, leave about an inch gap so you can flip your fabric inside out. Once you're done sewing, turn it inside out. If you're having a hard time pushing the corners out, you can use a chopstick to help with that. Once you're done flipping it inside out, we're going to pin it up again. This time when you go to sew, you're going to sew around the whole hammock. Once you're done sewing it, it's time to add our eyelets. So I'm going to take an X-Acto knife and start making holes where I want the eyelets to go. I do want to say, when I bought my eyelets, it didn't come with the tools you needed to install them. So my sister actually figured out how to do it if you don't have the tool. So the first thing you want to do is take the eyelet that has the longer end, and then you're going to put it through the hole. Once you put your eyelet through the hole, turn your fabric over and put the smaller eyelet on top. Now you're going to take some pliers and you're going to stick it in the hole and you're going to start to open them. This is going to push those metal tabs outwards. Continue doing this until it's tightened. Once your eyelet feels secure, you're going to take it to a hard surface and you're going to take a hammer, place it on top, and start adding a lot of pressure and pushing down. This is going to help secure your eyelet even more. Once you're done securing all your eyelets, your hammock is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. And until next time, bye.